I'm John Tory, and as Mayor of Toronto, I'd like to welcome you to our city for the Somali Week Soccer Tournament. 10,000 people, imagine that, 10,000 people attending the event from Europe, Australia, the United States, and of course, across Canada. Somali Week remains the largest gathering of Somalis in Canada, and I value the ultimate goal of the tournament, which is to promote a spirit of cooperation and to preserve the richness and beauty of the Somali culture and heritage within our great city. I also want to take this opportunity to congratulate the Toronto Development Association of Youth on their 25th anniversary of this tournament. Toronto is indeed one of the world's most diverse cities, and events like these provide an opportunity not only to celebrate the cultural traditions of our diverse communities, but also to appreciate the achievements of Torontonians themselves. Once again, welcome to Toronto. I hope you enjoy your stay in our great city.